Yeah. Okay, so today we're gonna have a look at growing up for Genesis 9. Look, I had the one for Genesis 8. I wasn't a huge fan, I'm not gonna lie to you. Let's see if they've done anything different in this one. Now, this is checking it out of the box, so as a real noob, I'm sure it works like the one in the past, so let's have a look. So you get your kind of presets of 5 to 6, 9 to 10, young teen, old teen, and adult. Okay, and then you can zero them all out. And you can zero different things out, which is cool. And then you get your main morph dials, which I suspect will be the ones that we use to get what we're looking for. And then support morphs for the boobs. Okay, them boobs. Okay, let's have a look. So this is created by Zevo. They usually make awesome plugins. I like all of them pretty much. I think everything they create is pretty damn good quality. So let's have a look. I've got 3 characters here. I got the Gen 9 out of the box vanilla character, which I've put on feminine. Okay. And then I've got a Brillantois character Tyler for Genesis 9. And I've got Nikolai. Okay, so let's try different body types. First of all, let's try the ages. Okay, 5 to 6. Let's have a look at what that does. Yeah. I don't know, man. I don't know. Does it do a good job? I don't know. It's kind of freaky. Looks like Santa's very sick. But okay, let's have a look on the next character. Genesis 9, 5 to 6. I presume they made for this. There we go. Okay, so for vanilla characters, they actually work very good. So Genesis 9 character, the vanilla characters, the essential characters, actually, that's a good job. That's a pretty damn good job. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good. Now let's try Brillantois, Tyler, and let us have a look at what the... Oh God. Okay. So... Okay, I mean it works. Yeah, I don't know. It kind of works. Kind of works on other characters. Not too well though, so I presume that this was created to load up for the actual vanilla character of Genesis 9, and from there you can go crazy with the Vinmay morphs or something. Let's have a look at ages 9 to 10. 9 to 10. And Nikolai, 9 to 10. Okay, so a little bit, there we go. Santa still looks very scary. Very scary. I mean, it works, but I mean, you wouldn't use a character that looks like that, right? Probably not. It works perfectly for the vanilla characters, the essential characters. It works perfectly. There we go. So, I mean, it's becoming quite clear what it's for. And for this, still, I mean, it works, but I don't know, some things look a bit weird. It does work. The face always looks a bit weird, but then again, Naomi does have Tyler does have a pretty damn weird face. But for the Genesis Sensual, it works perfectly. Okay, so maybe I've got this all wrong. Maybe this is a young teen. Young teen. Okay, so it's not too young though. I mean, oh, okay, a young teen. Okay, so once again, for the vanilla, perfect. She looks a lot better. Okay, look, man. To the credit of the plugin, this dude is an old looking son of a bitch. So you know, it's not gonna work out perfectly. It's just good to see this though. But let's have a look with someone different. Okay, so we've dragged in a Michael. So at least we can get a kind of a better look. So look, I'm gonna go young teen on this dude. Okay, so it doesn't take away the muscles or whatever. Head still looks a bit odd, I'd say. Let's try older teen. older teen. Okay, so it changes them ever so slightly. And let's have a look. Tyler and Genesis 9. Okay, so that one works. That one works because you're adjusting ever so slightly. Once again, the Genesis 9 obviously looks the best. The vanilla character. This dude just look old. Okay, so it doesn't work perfectly on something like that. And the Michael, I don't know, man. Older teen. What's older teen mean? Is it like maybe 18, 17, 18? Maybe. Obviously, yeah. Okay, that works. That works. I don't know when I'd ever use, like, I don't know, maybe. Let's have a look at, like, adult. Okay, I don't think we need to try adult, right? I mean, adult, does it change anything? No, that is what it is. So, I don't see any changes in those. Let's have a look at Tyler, or let's have a look at Marco. There? No. Okay, so this does not change a little bit. Okay, so that's what this does. I mean, it works on the Genesis 9 the best. Obviously, the vanilla characters work the best, right? Let's have a look at, like, individual thingamabobsies, right? So, youth-based HD detail. Okay, that's just, okay, so so this is the morph, where you can kind of go in and you can, let's say we want something like that. Youth body proportions. Okay, nice. Okay, the little hips, body weight. That's awesome. Body width. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. The head proportions. Okay, I like the control over these things. I think these all come with other morphs though. Head stylized. Okay, that's pretty cool. Head width. Okay. Okay. The neutralizer. Okay. The body neutralizer. Okay, I don't know where I'd fit that. Neutralize feet. Okay, that's nice. The size of the feet and stuff. Head neutralizer. Let's have a look. What is this? What are you doing, cat? Okay. Nose. Interesting. Nose. What does this do to the nose? Okay. It was subtle. And then them dirty. Okay, cool. So you can get pretty alright results. Yeah. I mean, what I'm gonna do is I'll duplicate the Tyler, I guess. Yeah. Okay, so let's go on to something like this dude, Nikolai, and see if we can do something with this guy. So, boom. Man, that's an ugly kid. That's an ugly kid. I mean, everything kind of works. Oh, there we go. That's kind of cute. Body proportions, youth shape. I mean, it does work. It does work. I don't know if they give the best results on Earth, but it does work. After this, let's just try. That's kind of cute, though. That's kind of cute. Let's try and see if we can do one just totally from what we have, okay? From Daz, because they've also got like kind of a couple of things that you can create this with. That's the, what is this? The feet. Okay. Ooh, not too much. Okay, little chubby feet. Okay, let's give him that big head again. And the nose. Okay, fine. And I don't know. Okay, youth. Okay, that just makes him bigger or something. And then let's go with her. Let's have a look. See. Not you, buddy. We've done you. Okay. Let's go with Genesis 9. And this just works so well. Look at that. The vanilla characters work perfectly. Look at that. Giant. yeah, vanilla characters work well. Everything just okay. So obviously, I mean, they can't do morphs for every single character. We get that. We get that. So it looks like you start off with a vanilla character. It works absolutely beautifully. This is where this plugin shines, and obviously, this was created for the vanilla characters. Obviously, you can't do this for every character because they all build differently. So obviously they did it for the vanilla characters. From the vanilla character, you can go off, use VinMay or whatever you want, and start creating your own character. But it works absolutely wickedly. Not gonna lie, not gonna lie about body proportions. Got them body proportions. What's that? The hips. Yeah, this works really well. This works awesome. A little bit of a way. Ah, man, yeah, this is great. So, if you're creating youngians, definitely start with a vanilla character. 100%. That's where the power lies. That's where the power lies. Beautiful. This works so well. Look at this. Just a little bit like that. Them nose. I don't know what this is though. I mean, why do they get bigger? Shouldn't they get smaller? I suppose they're pretty cool though. If you're dealing with teens or whatever, yeah. And oh, there we go. The chest flatten. Okay. So that works really well, man. That works really well. Yeah, that works really well. Really well. That's awesome. That works well. Awesome. Let's go on to the tailleur. We can go to the tailleur. Look at that. And let's have a look. Let's have a look. Oh, God. Okay, let's make him young. Let's make him young. See what we got there. Now, if I had a baby like this, I don't know what I would do with this baby. I don't know what I'd do with the baby. Maybe hide it. You know, when your friends come over, oh, you got a baby, let's have a look at the baby. No, we don't got them baby. We don't got them baby. The baby, can we have a look at it? No. It's sleeping. It's sleeping. We don't really. we don't have a we don't want anyone to see the baby. It's sleeping somewhere. It takes after its mother. It takes after its mother. Just to let you know, it takes after its mother, not me. Okay, just preparing you for what you're about to see. But that's kind of cute, you know, with other morphs where you can adjust the eyes, maybe not so whatever. I mean, it kind of works. I see like it does work. It does work. But you can see the results of that Genesis 9 vanilla. It's perfect, man. It's perfect. It's beautiful. And these guys, man, they are scary. They are scary. Just take them all the way down. There we go. Wow. Okay, and then you can adjust. You know what? It doesn't work with these because they got muscles in the legs and they got adult features, so it doesn't work. You can create cool stylized characters with this, but you can clearly see it was developed for vanilla characters, and you know, if you take away the muscle and all that kind of stuff, it'll work. It'll work perfectly. Definitely. So, I mean, that's what it's created for. That's what it's created for. Now, let's see. I want to see something here. I'm going to pause this here. Okay, so this is kind of what the plugin does. Now, if you wanted to do it kind of for free, there is something. If you look up proportional height, these are built into DAZ. And what this does is it kind of gives you like a way to kind of give you this proportional foot size. You can kind of mess with those. Proportional toe length. And to my understanding, these are built into proportional. Okay. Maybe a little bit like this, and then deal with the height, proportional height. Okay, maybe not. Proportional, get it. Let's just go back on that one. So you do have those kind of things where you can kind of set your character. There's some nice controls here actually. Proportional smaller, body only. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. So I mean, if you did, I mean, there's a lot of different thingies here that you can deal with. Head size. Give it a bigger head. Neck length, maybe a little bit shorter. So there are ways of doing it, obviously. And if you've got like the entirety of the pack, then you can go wild. Then you can just take away the muscles, take away everything. But I mean, this does a better job. In all honesty, this would take a long time to do. I have done it. If you look at my video, Genesis 9 face shapes overview on how to create a younger face and body, I've made a little girl in that video, so you can check it out. And it's, you know, it's how I went about it, and all the cool things that you can do, and how you can make something from, you know, something from an adult to a cute little child. Okay, so there is that video if you want to look at it, and that is using, I think, just normal thingamabobbies. I could have used Vinway or something else, but I don't know. Oh, Genesis 9 head shapes. Okay, I used that, and then with kind of the vanilla things. So I mean, you do get it works ridiculously well with the vanilla. So my takeaway from this is I would start with a vanilla character, get the age that I'm looking for. It works damn well for that. And then take your Vinmay pack out or whatever morph things you like, and start creating your character. So I'm gonna do that. I'll do another video of how I came out one. This is an absolute noob thing where I'm just going in and checking it out and seeing, you know, how these things look. Obviously the vanilla is best. I mean, that turned out well. I mean, I'll still do some work with this in something like Vinmay, but this turned out damn well. She looks amazing. She looks great. So use the vanilla characters. They work really well, and then go in with your what's happening there? Eat, little girl. So definitely, I mean, you know, something like that you would hide. You would never let your friends see your child if it looked like that. But otherwise, it's looking good. If your child looked like this, you know, you're gonna put him in the Olympics at the age of what, 4, 5. Chuck him in the Olympics. You're not gonna want to mess with him because he's gonna beat you up at the age of 4. So check it out. See what I mean. He's got obviously, you know, nothing helps here. The hair on the legs and the muscles, it doesn't help. So clearly, this is developed for Genesis 9 vanilla, male or female, and I think it's pretty cool. Now that I see it from this kind of perspective, it's really cool. It works. And then create your own character. There are other ways of doing it for free. Check out my other videos or whatever. It's a hell of a lot more work. I think this is a one-click solution if you're using vanilla, but then you're going to take some time to develop your own character. Anyway, I hope this helps, and I'll speak to you guys later. Bye, guys.